I recently bought the ASUS Transformer Mini T102HA 2-in-1 around 2 to 3 months ago. Since that period of time, I've had nothing but problems trying to connect to the internet. Now, I hadn't had a lot of time to really look at it because I've been on a course, on various courses, and I finished the bulk of those courses, and I said, right, I've got to concentrate on this because I've just updated my hub to a new Sky Q hub, and all the other devices are all connected to it, other tablets, laptops, they're working far better now. I mean, it's a lot quicker because the Q hub has got 2 channels. You've got 2.4 hertz and you've got 5 gigahertz. 2.4 gigahertz, and you've got 5 gigahertz. And you know, so you can jump on to the 5 gigahertz or you can jump on the 2.4, whichever way you feel. But it's just working superbly, except for the ASUS Transformer Mini, which has been, you know, particularly annoying. So I thought to myself, what could be causing the problem? I'd got rid of ASUS. I've got another virus checker on there. Still the same thing. It was just not connecting to the Wi-Fi properly, consistently dropping, and very slow. Could take about 2 to 3 minutes before even a page would come up. So that's obviously no good. So there's a problem. So I thought I need to update the drivers. So it's a good practice on Windows to update your drivers. So I think with Apple just updates. It's just bang, just like that. Any updates that come through, you don't have to go to their website. It will just your laptop, your tablet, it's automatically updated. So if there's a new driver, updates. Whereas with Windows, unless you do the Windows update, and even when it's set on automatic, it doesn't always update. There are times when you can go into the Windows update section and see that there are like 4 or 5 items waiting to download or install, and then you have to manually do it. And so, as I said, the best thing to do is to update your drivers. So the way I mean, just for me, I clicked through to start. Okay, went to settings, wait for settings to come up. Then I went to Windows, put in Windows Update, and check for setting updates. And I saw 2 of them here. One was the Bluetooth, and the other one was the Wi-Fi, the latest one. So they were just sitting there, pending installation, it said. Okay, so you can do the update from here, but if you don't see them there, then the other way is to individually update the adapters. So click on here, go into Windows again, Windows setting, Internet and Network and Internet. So go to it's Wi-Fi, flight mode, etc. So you click on that. I'm already connected, nice strong connection. Change your network settings, change adapter options, view network adapters, and change connection settings. So you can just click on that. And here you go. This is the network adapter. I can't pronounce it. Anyway, you can see what it is. This is the wireless network adapter, basically. And to see whether it's, there's the Bluetooth here, which is not connected. You need to see whether the latest driver is on. You need to now right click on there. So it's just right click, go to properties, and you've got Wi-Fi properties, as you can see at the top there. Then you click on config. And as you can see, you've got general adapters here. It's showing you what it is, who's the maker, network adapter, and the name of it. You've got advanced, but this is where we want to be on driver. So you click on driver, and here's the wireless network adapter, Microsoft Windows hardware compatibility publisher. Views the details of the driver, and this is where we update the driver. And if you click on here, you can actually roll back if there's an issue with it, but we're going to click it here, and from here, let me just pause because someone is coming to the room to annoy me. Okay, so we click on search automatically for updated driver software, and Windows will search your computer and the internet. So let's click on here, and it's searching either on your computer and on the internet to see what is the latest drivers. Oh, the best drivers for your device is already installed. So I've already done mine, and I've already updated it. But if it wasn't, it would say, you know, it's getting the latest drivers for your computer, tablet, or whatever. Okay, you can also search for updated drivers on Windows Update, but I've already shown you where to go to do that. And then all you don't have to do is close everything down, and then restart your computer. So shut it down completely and then restart it. All right, because otherwise, if you start trying to use it, it won't work. It's not going to work properly. Shut it down and restart your computer, and then you'll be updated with the latest drivers. Everything takes a little bit of time. The computer needs to adapt to it. So if it's not working perfectly to begin with, but over a few hours or whatever, it will then settle down and start working well. So this is really for people. This actually works for any computer you've got, not if you're having a Wi-Fi connectivity issue problem on your computer. It's not connected to the Wi-Fi properly. You need to update to the latest drivers. So as I said before, if you if you're using Windows 10, that is, sorry, I should have said before, just go to the start at the bottom left, click on settings, click on that. That'll come up. Then you just because I'm going through individual. I'm not looking to do a wholesale update. Click on the internet, the network and internet. Go to change adapter options. Then you've got you can see the Wi-Fi adapter you've got. Click on you have to right click here, click on properties, then you click on config, then you click on driver, and then you just click up on update, and then it will then update. Click on to search automatically for updated driver software. Click on that. It will update it will update from there if there's an update for it. If you've already done it, it will tell you the best drivers are on your computer. So I hope this helps anyone who's got a Wi-Fi issue. Good idea to check this on all your tablets, whether they're Android update to the latest canal, or if the drivers on your Android tablet. Apple should already automatically update you anyway, but it's particularly for Windows. Sometimes it will automatically update it's supposed to, that Windows is supposed to do that. But if you've got a problem with your Wi-Fi and it's slow, then it won't install properly. So you'll have to go in and do it manually, which is the way I've just shown you through here. Okay. So I hope this helps a few people solve their Wi-Fi issues. The other thing as well, you can check once you've updated your settings, depending on what hub you have a look at your channels within your hub. I always set it to channel 6 or channel 7. You can see this on one of my YouTube videos on how to change your Wi-Fi channels through your router. Okay, thanks very much for listening.